Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Odyssey air filter. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new engine air filter. Make sure you have the correct filter for your specific Odyssey model. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin any work. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental burns or injuries during the process. Now let's get to the air filter housing. It's usually a large black box located near the front of the engine. You'll see several clips holding the cover in place. Unclip these. Some models might have a hose clamp or a sensor wire that needs to be disconnected first. Gently detach these, being careful not to damage them. Once the clips are undone and any attachments are free, lift the cover and pull out the old air filter. Notice how dirty it is. Before inserting the new filter, take a moment to wipe out any debris or leaves from inside the air filter housing. This ensures a clean environment for your new filter. Now, carefully place the new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and is oriented correctly. The rubber seal should fit snugly around the edges. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover, secure all the clips, and reconnect any hoses or sensors you detached earlier. Double-check everything is tight. With the new filter installed, start your Honda Odyssey and listen for any unusual noises. Everything should sound normal. It's a good practice to note the date of your air filter change, perhaps on the filter housing itself or in your maintenance log, so you know when to check it next. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.